The little tasty food outlet works just like a normal vending machine. You make your selection and collect your item from the tray. But take a look at what's inside. There's a wide range of delicious food. How about a hot panini? You can choose from ham and cheese, chicken and bacon, tuna melt and many more. If you are looking for a quick snack, try our rolls or our spicy potato wedges. You'll be surprised. We also have a variety of alternative choices for the health conscious. Fancy a hot tasty meal? All you need to do is scan a barcode. You don't have to worry about cooking time, it's all automatically programmed for you. Then close the door and press start. The little tasty food outlet offers you delicious locally sourced handmade food 24/7. Snacks are ready in as little as 60 seconds, while you can enjoy a meal from just 3.5 minutes. Calories and other GDA information are available at point of purchase. Take your food out of the microwave, sit down and enjoy. Simply heat and eat with Bon Appetit.